And thank you for joining us. The trial for former Phoenix police officer accused of sexually assaulting 3 women in his patrol car. This was over a 2-year span. That trial began today.
Sean Pena was put back on patrol after the first victim came forward back in 2018 before ultimately being fired following criminal charges in 2020. Elliot Polikoff is live in the newsroom with what happened in the courtroom today. Elliot.
Jamie, and yet day one of this trial included opening statements from both the prosecution and the defense. One of the sexual assault victims also testified about what she says happened to her in August of 2019, as Pena sat in the courtroom just a few feet away.
How do you call the police on the police?
Powerful words from one of 3 women allegedly sexually assaulted by Sean Pena.
Scared because I don't trust the police.
This woman, whom the judge asked us not to identify, says that Pena sexually assaulted her after shouting her name from his patrol car as she returned from the grocery store in August of 2019.
He grabs my hand and places it on his exposed penis. I jerk my hand back, scared, wondering why did he just do this?
According to a November 2020 Maricopa County Superior Court complaint, the first woman who accused Pena of sexual assault did so in August of 2018. Saying he raped her as she was handcuffed in the back of his patrol car. The second woman, Christopher Lee, says she was sexually assaulted in June of 2019. 2 years later, Phoenix City Council approved a $425,000 settlement related to Lee's case. Pena's attorney says money could be a factor for multiple witnesses moving forward.
Some of the witnesses, victims in this case, were motivated by financial gain.
He also questioned the credibility of multiple victims.
You're going to hear testimony that Miss Lee changed her story.
And asked the victim testifying today why she went up to Pena's patrol car if she was scared of the police.
You actually were approaching Officer Pena because you thought he was still investigating the crime, correct?
Yes, and he called my name over there. So what choice really do I have?
Pena currently faces 7 felony charges, 3 counts of sexual assault, 2 counts of sexual abuse, and 2 counts of unlawful sexual conduct by a peace officer. In the next week, other alleged victims will testify, as will other Phoenix police officers and detectives involved in the investigation. Live in the newsroom, Elliot Polikoff, Arizona's Family.